Hey Toyota, this is a bad design. Been cleaning, this is the third wash and this has been going about 10 minutes. Bad design, this wing on the back, it just sucks absolutely every bit of dust and water and dirt onto the back of the vehicle. Terrible. Actually improving, but it just keeps coming out forever and ever. Bad design Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. I think you need to seal this rear wing up so that it doesn't hold the dust. Better seals top and bottom, you know what I mean? Anyway, we'll just keep pumping the gallons and gallons and hundreds and thousands of litres of water onto it so that we can get the back of the car clean, because it just doesn't, you can't get it clean if it just keeps coming out.